locked out of the XK8 with a flat battery, or you can't open the boot or trunk with the dashboard button? There's a simple solution. You can use the black key to open in the secret keyhole. But be aware the green Valet key won't work. My name's Bruce and I'm the proud owner of a silver 1999 XK8. This channel is organised to share the knowledge I've gained while owning Sylvester. And to help me make more videos, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell to be notified when I publish more videos. So where do you find the secret keyhole? Well, locate the XK8 logo at the right hand rear of the vehicle. Between the X and the K, there's a hole for the key. Simple as that. Or maybe not if it hasn't been used for a while and is clogged up. So I suggest as soon as you've finished viewing this video that you go straight to the car with a can of WD-40, and if the key doesn't go in the hole easily, spray a little WD-40 in there. Then insert the key again and undo the lock. And another thing about unlocking the car, if the remote doesn't open the car, the key will. Put it in the driver's door. Sometimes we get so used to using the key fob, we forget about the manual process, and you'd be surprised about how many people don't immediately think of that. Use a bit of WD-40 here too. I mentioned the Valet key earlier. Hopefully the last owner passed it on to you when you bought the car. The Growler logo is green rather than black, and you'll have noticed that in the right of the driver's steering wheel there's a button on the dash that's labelled Valet. When you drop off the car at the golf club and ask the valet to park the car for you, hand them the green key and then press the Valet button. This means they can't open the boot from the dash or with the key, and they can't open the glove box either. Also, the remote fob has a battery. It does go flat even after 20 odd years. You need a plastic tool to prise it open, or carefully with a flat screwdriver. Use the end where the fob attaches to your keychain. The fob uses two batteries, and remember how they're positioned when you open the fob. The battery is a CR2032 and the link's in the description below. Put the plus side of each battery down. That's the side with the writing on it. When you finish, it just pushes back together again. I hope you've been entertained with this video and you've learned a bit about the beautiful XK8. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell to be notified when I publish more videos.